Hello, lovelies. I'm cookbook author and TV show host, Chef Angela Michelle. I love food. I love shopping for fresh ingredients. I love using herbs and spices, all of these things to create beautiful culinary masterpieces. And that's why I'm here. I want to show you how to create these dishes in your own home. Everything, absolutely everything from fruit, seafood, Asian food. We also have Indian food. You can use chicken, beef, seafood, even plant-based. All here, all for you on Delicious Dish Demos by myself, Chef Angela Michelle, presented by Culinary Kisses. Food and kisses. Now enjoy the next demo. Hey lovelies, Chef Angela Michelle here. So, lemon pepper seems to be all the rage when it comes to chicken wings, right? Well, that's true, and you're in the right spot because I have a great recipe for you. It's easy, it's flavorful. Oh my gosh. Well, you know what? You can thank me later. Just check out the video. Food and kisses. Here are my zesty lemon pepper wings. Don't they look delicious? Okay, so let's get started. First, I have a cast iron pan, and I like using cast iron because it creates such a great crunch, quote unquote, on the chicken. I spray the pan and I spread my wings on the bottom and I start to season them. We have salt, black pepper, a little seasoned pepper. Seasoned pepper is a really nice touch. Also have some turmeric, garlic powder, dehydrated lemon peel. I mean, these are lemon pepper wings, right? And cornstarch. Now go ahead and flip the wings over and repeat. Do the same thing. And then stick them into the oven. Let them bake in there while we prepare our sauce. For the sauce, you will need butter and garlic, a little more of that seasoned pepper, some parsley and onion, and I chose to use red onion, more of that dehydrated lemon peel, and lemon juice. Okay, great combination, right? But very simple. Now give it a stir to mix everything together, and look at that zesty sauce. It's perfect for our wings. So go ahead and take the wings out of the oven, flip them over, because you have some of that little cornstarch dusting on the top, and then add the sauce, and then give those wings a toss. This recipe isn't just for wingdings. You can use it on whole wings, chicken legs, thighs, whatever suits your fancy. Now we're gonna put the chicken back in the oven for a minute and then take it out, add a little bit of cooking wine to the bottom. That's gonna add to the sauce and give it a wonderful, wonderful flavor. But the wait is over. Now it's time to plate these wingdings. Yes, I told you, they look absolutely wonderful. And yeah, we eat with our eyes first, so it's good that they look great, but we're gonna add a little bit of garnish to this. We have some chopped chives, some parsley, and some lemon wedges. And there you have it, zesty lemon pepper wings. Brought to you by yours truly, Chef Angela Michelle of Culinary Kisses. Food and kisses.